So you're watching this video to learn how to insert the screwdriver tip into the screwdriver handle. As you know, on the shared area there are we've downloaded an existing screwdriver bit. You're more than welcome to use that. If you do, make sure you copy it from the shared area, copy it into your documents along with all your screwdriver designs. Otherwise, if you just try to use it from the straight shared area, it could cause problems later on. Now, of course, if you're aiming for the platinum level of award, you can create your own screwdriver bit, but this is a slightly easier option for you. So the first thing you must do is go to File and New, poor old laptop, and click on Assembly. So an arrangement of parts, and simply you just add the parts in. So we've got our screwdriver bit, so I'm going to click on that, and in she goes. Insert screwdriver drill bit, and in we go. Now you can see the problem we have is they are not perpendicular, but that's really easy to sort out. It's by using a thing called mate. Now I'm going to show you something quite clever. In our screwdriver handle, we created the flats of our hexagon 6.5mm apart. The screwdriver tip is actually 6.35, which is in imperial units, quarter of an inch. So we deliberately made the hole in our screwdriver a little tiny bit bigger, 0.15mm bigger, because when you 3D print it, it will allow you to insert a standard screwdriver bit. So to create an assembly to join these two pieces together, it's incredibly simple. We can select our top face of our hexagon, mouse wheel round. If we hold our shift key down, we can select the bottom of our hole. Now if we pause just a moment, we get this fly out menu appear. If you go along to the bottom, this one here called Profile Center, and simply it recognizes they're both hexagons, and so it joins them together just like that. So it's aligned perfectly and mated in the bottom, and that's all there is to doing an assembly. Very simple. We will be doing more SolidWorks with you later in the year, and we'll show you how to use this mate command a little bit more, but for the sake of this exercise, this is the best way of doing it, we feel. Good luck.